Welcome to Giethoorn in the Netherlands. It's often called the Venice of the North, and many say that it's the prettiest place in the Netherlands. With its winding canals, hundreds of wooden bridges and a total absence of traditional roads in the center, it feels like a fairy tale brought to life. We stayed with our motorhome at Harmsteed. It's only a 10-minute walk to the center of Giethoorn. Once you're parked, the real magic begins. You'll notice that it's surprisingly quiet. That's because most boat rentals here are electric whisper boats. The boats are incredibly easy to steer, even for beginners. As you glide through the canals, you'll pass 18th century farmhouses with those iconic thatched roofs. There are also several shops where you can buy souvenirs, as well as restaurants where you can take a rest for lunch. As well as small self-drive boats, there are larger boats that offer group tours, and that is what we decided to do. Sit back and watch the world go by, whilst listening to interesting information about Giethoorn from your captain. Whether you are here for the quiet mornings before the day trippers arrive, or the peaceful evenings once they leave, Giethoorn is a masterclass in slow travel. With your motorhome as your base, you get the best of both worlds, the freedom of the open road and the timeless wonder of this waterbound wonder. Thanks for watching.